So in order to replace your ignition coil plugs on your Audi 2.0T, you're gonna need this little special plug releasing tool that is very cheap, and I will link in the description. And you'll need some basic tools like a small screwdriver and a T30 to take out this screw that holds in the harness right there. I've already replaced, this is a brand new one right here. I replaced it because it was broken, as you can see. And I replaced two of them, this one and this one, but I'm going to replace these two as well, even though they're still good, just because they're probably going to fail soon. The reason they fail is because they sit right on top of the engine where all the heat rises to, and they get very hot, and they're plastic, and you go to release the locking switch and they break. So yeah, anyway, so I already have this cover off. This cover is usually on top, and the way you take it off is, as you can see along the insulation, there's all these locking tabs that you need to take a small screwdriver and push on them to release them. See those little holes there? They're all over the entire thing, so just carefully release all of those till you can take that whole cover off, and then the wires are exposed. Now in this kit we're using this tool right here. It comes with a whole bunch of them, and it's on eBay for only $8, and it's free shipping, so it's a great deal. So we'll go ahead and replace this one. So the way I like to do it is I take a picture first of that, so I know exactly what order all the wires go in. Then I'm going to, you take your tool here and you push the tool right into that little slot, and then what I like to do, I'll just get that wire started coming out. Oh, you know what? I actually forgot. See this pink retaining clip? First, you gotta, there's a little notch down in there, you gotta use that for leverage. See that? It clips out, and then I just take it all the way out, just like that. That pink clip just retains all the wires in. So now we can actually go ahead. We'll do the first wire. What I like to do is get the first wire started coming out, then do the next. Instead of taking them out one by one, you can do it either way. Doesn't really matter. Okay. See that? They're all coming out just like that. And this way they sort of stay relatively in order. So you can see nothing's wrong with this one. It's still the original one, and it's going to break soon. So I just like to replace them now. I bought my replacement ones on ecstuning.com. They're genuine. There's the part number right there that starts with 8KO. I'll link them in the description as well. So I don't need to reference my picture because these are still all in order, just the way they are. So I like to just kind of get them all started going in. And I guess I can show you guys how that tool works. Is we slid it into the plastic, and then these two arms release this releasing tab on both sides. So that's how that works. So I'll take my new plug. I like to get them all started going in, just like that. And then kind of, if it's not going, just shimmy them around because they got to line up correctly. This one's giving me a little trouble. Yep, there it is. Okay, it's just this blue one here now that needs to, yep, there it goes. And then you just push them all in at the same time, and you hear them, you can hear them click. You're looking to hear 4 clicks, and it's pretty much what I heard. So, there's that, and give them all a tug, make sure they aren't coming out or anything. You can check in here if you see any sticking out. Some of them will stick out more than others. Just give them all a push. Make sure they're all the way in there. And now, this is important, the clip, when it comes out the package, is not totally seated or pushed in so that you're able to install them. So take your screwdriver. Oh, if it doesn't push in like that, that means that they're not all in all the way. So it looks like this. You can look inside and it, oh, you see that? This one right here is not in all the way. So come around and, oh, I just heard it click. There it is, see that? Third one's in there now. And now we should, yep, just like that. Make sure you put that pink thing back in just so that it'll lock properly and the wire will stay in there. And you do that for all the rest of them, and put your wire insulation cover back on, and you are good to go.